gentlemen, to deliver her welcome remarks, please join us in extending a warm welcome to our Schools Division Superintendent of Binyan City, Dr.
Manuela S. Tolentino Sasopa.
Isang mapagpalang araw sa lahat ng naririto sa ating bulwagan ng People's Center Binyan City Compound.
Pleasant morning to all the members of Regional Management Committee.
Share the efforts, the collaborative efforts of the people of the division of Binyan City, whose collective effort to continue working and serving around, aligned with our mantra, is always present. One heart, one mind, one heart, one direction. Our very own Platero, the banner program of Binyan City Division, the division's effort to perform and achieve set organizational objectives aligned with the DepEd's vision and mission with quality management system, and of course, aligned with the Matatag agenda. As the saying goes, nasa atin po naka-embed ang resiliency because as of the moment, even after the outskirt of typhoon, where the city of Binyan is placed under state of calamity, is proud to have you here in the historical city of Binyan.